Yeah, good morning, lovely people. Here I am back at the Canary Wharf, a lovely backdrop behind me, as you can see. It's my fourth day, day 4, for the 22 press-ups, 22 days challenge. So here we go. It's upside down. Right, thank you very much. But today is a nomination day. So the person I'm gonna pick, I know you love the camera and you was an excellent fighter. You was a world champion. So Mr. Billy Schwer, I know you'll be the man. And I want to hear some of that soulful beat house music that you've been finding out in Croatia. So go ahead, Billy. Well done, mate.